fantastic. Okay, talk about Battle Royale. You do not understand how funny this game is. Like, I mean it. So, I'm in the last resolution because I played on Dell monitor that is maximum 1050 or something. Okay, how about I stay 900p? I like the game, so alright, 900p. I love the game because it's unique. It's got some battlefield mechanics incorporated in a battle royale. Dude, it feels so wrong and good at the same time. Yeah, I do not understand. Take the scope already. Take the... Hope I don't want to die now because I'm already close to top 10. Look at him. Eliminated. Oh my god, that was a nice kill, man. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, 4 alive. Wow. You never seen mechanics in a game like this on a car, yeah? You don't know. Listen, until you don't see this, you don't know what mechanic is. Let me show you real. Mechanics. Holy shit! Oh god, dude, I love the game. Whatever you want to say, this is like the best driving simulation. Oh shit. There was somebody there. I saw the doors open. You don't want to stay. I heard this fucking up. Holy mother of sweet baby Jesus, the spray is huge. With an axe. I didn't. Wow. That was pure evil, man. That was wow. Here's Johnny. American Jeep. Best car in the game. OG driver. I'm pissing myself off. Like radical experience I ever had. Nothing to eat. Shh. Damn, son. Can we cross the river with the car? Let's... Nice experience. Oh. No! I had no gun, I forgot it was on the left. It's worth it because it's free to play. That's it. It's not very demanding on the GPU. I don't know how to say it. I want to play more. I want to be better, you know. So I think with the proper GPU and a proper monitor, I think I can become better at the game. And it's fun. And it's it's weird and it's fun and everything together. So yeah, I will see you soon. Bye bye.